Hello everyone, welcome to Bear Paws Woodshop. My name is Matthew. On today's trip through the woods, I need your help with some feedback on situations some viewers are sharing with me about the channel. To start, the footage you'll see are some offcuts and some that you'll see in upcoming videos. The main situation is that when listening on mobile devices, it's hard to hear the voiceover. With that in mind, I went to work to learn how to make the audio better all the way around. Lots of reading and videos, but hopefully the voiceover is better now. I'm also trying out some new things, like transitions. There are some other things that I learned while trying to fix the audio. Hopefully they will help me make better videos for you to enjoy. The next bit of help that you could give me, is there a project or a video you'd like to see? If there is, leave a comment. If I use your project or video idea, I'll give you a shout out in the video. I am working on this one now. Coming soon. I can't wait to see what ideas all of you leave in the comments. Please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment about the audio. And as always, thank you for joining me on this trip to see what the bear is doing in the woods.